Matheus Nunes, Man City agree £53 million deal with Wolves for transfer of midfielder. Man City will pay £53 million for the transfer of Matheus Nunes, more than originally agreed. City youngster Tommy Doyle will go to Wolves on an initial loan with a £4.3m €5 million option and a significant sell-on clause. Chelsea have inquired over signing Cole Palmer from City. Manchester City have agreed a £53 million deal with Wolves for the transfer of midfielder Matheus Nunes. The deal is a club record sale for Wolves, with the fee higher than the £47 million verbally agreed on Wednesday. Man City will pay more than originally stated, but with a different payment structure. There are no add-ons, besides a 10% sell-on fee on any future profit City make on Nunes. With paperwork now agreed and in its final stages, Nunes has been given permission to travel to Manchester to have a medical. Wolves signed the Portugal international for a club record £42 million from Sporting Lisbon last summer. In a separate deal, 21-year-old Tommy Doyle will have a medical at Wolves ahead of a season-long loan, which includes a £4.3 million €5 million option to buy. City would hold a 50% sell-on fee for any profit Wolves make on the midfielder. Chelsea close to finalising deal for City's Palmer. Chelsea are close to finalising an agreement with Manchester City for the permanent signing of forward Cole Palmer. One source has told Sky Sports News Palmer is expected to have a medical on Thursday. The deal is worth in the region of £40 million. Should the deal go through, it would take the spending at Chelsea under the Todd Boehly Clearlake Capital ownership to £1.02 billion. It will also take their spending this summer alone to £435 million. In over 5 years and 11 transfer windows under Mauricio Pochettino, Spurs only spent £412 million. Pep Guardiola has said this summer that a loan move away from the club would not suit the player. Therefore, a permanent switch is more likely. Palmer played in the Premier League opener against Burnley and was on the bench for the last 2 games. The 21-year-old, who scored in the Community Shield against Arsenal and UEFA Super Cup against Sevilla, is pushing for more first-team opportunities. Follow the summer transfer window with Sky Sports. Who will be on the move in the final days of the transfer window before it closes at 11 p.m. on Friday, September 1st in England and midnight in Scotland? Keep up to date with all the latest transfer news and rumors in our dedicated Transfer Center blog on Sky Sports digital platforms. You can also catch up with the ins, outs and analysis on Sky Sports News. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to click the subscribed button and hit the bell icon for more.